Welcome to the Gourmet Code. Are you tired of eating the same old boring sandwiches every day? Well, you're in luck because today we're going to show you 5 easy and delicious bread sandwich recipes that you can make at home. Let's get started. First up, we have the classic turkey and avocado sandwich. To make this sandwich, you'll need 2 slices of bread, some roasted turkey slices, sliced avocado, lettuce, and mayonnaise. Start by toasting the bread and spreading a generous amount of mayonnaise on each slice. Layer the turkey, avocado, and lettuce between the slices and you're done. Next, we have a vegetarian option, the hummus and roasted vegetable sandwich. To make this sandwich, you'll need 2 slices of bread, some hummus, roasted vegetables, such as zucchini, bell peppers, and eggplant, and some fresh herbs, such as basil or cilantro. Toast the bread and spread a thick layer of hummus on each slice. Top one slice with the roasted vegetables and herbs, then place the other slice of bread on top. And you have your healthy hummus and roasted vegetables sandwich. Now, let's move on to something a little more indulgent. We have the grilled cheese and bacon sandwich. To make this sandwich, you'll need 2 slices of bread, some shredded cheese, cooked bacon, and butter. Butter one side of each slice of bread and place one slice, buttered side down, in a frying pan over medium heat. Sprinkle the cheese and bacon on top of the bread, then place the other slice of bread on top, buttered side up. Cook until the bread is golden brown and the cheese is melted, flipping the sandwich halfway through. And you get your perfect grilled cheese and bacon sandwich. For our 4th sandwich, we have a classic tuna salad sandwich. To make this sandwich, you'll need 2 slices of bread, some canned tuna, mayonnaise, diced celery, diced onion, and lettuce. Mix together the tuna, mayonnaise, celery, and onion in a bowl, then spread the mixture onto one slice of bread. Top with lettuce and the other slice of bread, and you're done. Last but not least, we have a breakfast sandwich, the egg and cheese sandwich. To make this sandwich, you'll need 2 slices of bread, a scrambled egg, shredded cheese, and butter. Toast the bread and butter one side of each slice. Place the scrambled egg and cheese on one slice of bread, then top with the other slice of bread, buttered side up. Heat the sandwich in a frying pan until the cheese is melted and the bread is golden brown. And there you have it, 5 easy and delicious bread sandwich recipes that you can make at home. Which one will you try first? Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed these 5 sandwich recipes and do give it a try at home. Do like, share and subscribe to the channel for more recipes and cooking tips. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below.